Time now for better food. A new pizza place just opened its doors in downtown Hartford.
Matt Rusconi and Andrew Carr from Artichoke Basille's Pizza are showing us some of the delicious food. And this is like the, you know, when you're in New York City and you just want like a New York slice of pizza, that's what you've brought to Hartford, right?
That's what we brought to Hartford, yes. Artichoke Pizza was founded in 2008 in the East Village by Francis Garcia and Sal Basille, cousins. Pizziolas, they were the pizza masters on the cooking channel. So.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Pizziolas.
Pizziolas, yeah.
I love that. So you went down there, you met them, you tried it, and you said, let's bring this to Hartford.
Exactly. And we went down there, we trained in Astoria. We locked Andrew in the basement with a guy named Hammer, and that's where he learned it for a week. He learned to make pizza.
With a guy named Hammer.
Because either learn how to make it or don't leave.
Exactly.
So. That's
it.
All right, so the crust is special. Let's start there. What's special about the crust?
Well, the crust, so the dough itself, right, it's pretty basic. Like you got oil, water, flour, and a little bit of salt. But the way we prepare it and cook it, so we cook it a little extra to get that crispy crust.
See over here, you can feel it.
Yeah. Prepare the way of the dough. Wait. Prepare the way of the dough.
How cute is this? They have box salads too. Like that whole thing that I'm touching right here, that's a salad in a box.
That's amazing.
I love that.
That's absolutely beautiful. All right, so do you do the thing and the whole thing?
I do, but today I think you're gonna do it.
Yeah, you guys are
I
gonna
don't
do
know
it.
about that.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know how.
We're gonna help you, all right?
Oh,
I got an extra dough
So-
just in case you drop
You ready?
it.
Can I just eat the cheese instead? What do I do here?
So this is how you're gonna start, right? Just press
thing
it
you
on
wanna
here.
do?
We got a
Press
lot
in
of
the
flour on
corners.
our dough. So,
Oh, okay. Pressing
can
I
do
can
it.
do.
Press
I'm
it
worried
out,
about
yes.
the tossing.
well, you can. There's a lot of ways to do it. You can find your way. And
Press it out like, am I doing it right?
you're doing good already.
It's a
There you
little
go.
Right, I want to
muscle, that's
stretch
all.
it out because it's not a super thick crust. It's more of a thin,
That's right.
but not super thin. Just
So now, yeah, you got a good base there.
okay.
You could even
Then you
kind of
flip
like,
it
you
over
know,
one time.
people like that.
Turn
And
it
do
as
the
you
same
go.
thing.
It's like
Yeah,
a wheel.
So you're spreading
Okay.
it out there.
All right.
I feel so needy.
All right. There's all right.
Okay. So now, if you want, you can just kind of pick it up and throw it back and forth, kind of like gravity do its
Same
thing.
thing.
Okay.
All right.
So just pick it and throw it.
Yeah, kind of back and forth. There you go.
No. Oh, I think I just made a hole
Well,
in
that's
it.
okay. That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
So we're doing that because we want to stretch the dough.
Just like
Stretch
that.
it on. Now maybe you want to get your.
How am I doing?
Get your kind of fist.
We're
in it
doing
like
good.
that,
We're
like
hiring.
that, and then
Okay.
kind of rotate them.
All right.
And just kind of let the dough.
Not bad, right?
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
I'm making a Spanx.
We'll see you on Saturday. There you go.
Okay. All right. So
Not
now
bad.
what happens if you got a couple holes? You just put them back together. You're
Put
good.
them back together.
All right,
You
there
know,
we
we'll
go.
patch 'em up.
It's a little thin in the middle.
All right, so
but
that's okay.
Okay.
We'll do that. And now what we do with the artichoke way is a paleo cheese. We use really high ingredients, quality ingredients.
Okay.
So it's our paleo cheese.
Yeah.
We put the cheese on first at artichoke to keep it from falling off.
Okay,
Okay.
put it on all of this?
Yeah, so well you can
If you
take
like
a couple
extra
handfuls.
cheese.
I'm just
No, I'm not
mending
gonna
my
put it on.
holes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
There you
So
go. Take a good
mostly
handful.
in the center.
Well, spread it out evenly. It's all about the distribution, right?
Okay.
But like, what about you leave the edges for the crust or no?
No. Oops.
No.
Oh, there you go. That's a good lot of cheese.
Okay. I like
Hey, you
cheese.
like cheesy
Boy,
pizza?
Tara, there's a lot
Okay.
of cheese on your pie.
All right.
There you go.
You want to take a little off?
No, that's perfect.
You're the expert.
No, you got it. I think that looks great.
How's
All
that?
right, so sauce
Great.
is next.
Okay.
So it's very important for the distribution of the sauce, right? So here's your ladle.
All right. Any tips on the
Yeah,
ladling
so
of the sauce?
you kind of want to like get it around close to the crust, right? Because we like to get the whole thing covered.
And you kind of go from the outside in.
Well, yeah. You could do it that way if you like. Here.
Yeah, you show
No,
me.
I'll show you a little bit. So
I'm
this
not
is how
doing
they
this
showed
right
me,
now.
right?
Okay.
Same way, it just takes time. So if you go up a little further, right, you get a little more coverage because there's a splatters throughout the pizza. Because if you put too much, it gets lumpy and then
Oh, so
it's
Scott,
saucy. So you
he's
try it
doing
again.
what I did. He's
Go
going
ahead.
in circles. Is that too much?
But it is your pizza at the end of the day.
How-
You're making.
You're
so.
laughing.
You're doing well.
Yeah, you think so?
They're laughing at
We
us,
bring
but
the
we don't
sauce
know
all
what
the
we're
way to the
doing.
end.
Good.
We don't
No,
like
you're
the
doing
crust there,
great.
artichoke. But
All right. So we're going to make the
doing great.
margarita pie. So now we have our fresh ovalini, right? Fresh mozzarella. So take that up.
Okay.
You can tear it apart and just kind of throw it on the pizza.
Just throw little pieces.
Yeah.
There
you go.
bud.
Hey.
Mozzarella,
Pickles
mozzarella.
are fine. Yeah, mozzarella. Dov'è la biblioteca?
Now you can build your own pizza, but do you also have like your suggested flavors for us?
We do. So our specialty pie is obviously the artichoke pizza there, which is
What's on that?
Well, we got our spinach and artichoke sauce. Yeah, and we have pecorino cheese. The paleo cheese.
Yep.
And yeah, that's their namesake. It started basically. Fran and Sal are cousins, right? So in their and their mother's restaurant.
And then these go in the oven.
He used to make that
No.
We
pie and
should
hand it
try
out.
this because the show is going to
Can I
end.
get
We
some
want
That's
everyone
right.
to know that
cheese?
Artichoke
Put this on
Basille's
there?
Pizza is located in Hartford.
much?
Yes.
Right at Asylum
Two-finger
Street,
pinch.
114 Asylum
Two-finger
Street. So
pinch?
it's at Asylum and Trumbull area?
Yes, it
Just
is.
for the
Right
extra
across
flavor,
from
a
the
little bit of
XL
salt.
Center.
Okay, so next time you're going to see something at the XL Center, check it out. Are you going to pass down a piece over there?
Sure. Well, you got the best one right there.
Oh,
you got
that's the artichoke.
You want the artichoke one?
Here we go. You want a little pecorino on that?
Pecorino?
Yeah, go ahead. Sprinkle them over there.
Yeah. I
I'm
think
sure
this-
it's delicious.
I think we're gonna
There
wait.
we go.
It's not cut.